One of the things that you can do is insert out images by using a URL address as well. So for example, I'm just going to go out and get out of full screen right here. I have an image loaded up on another tab right here that is in JPEG format. So I'm going to go around and copy this URL right here, and to insert out images using that particular URL, I'm going to go to insert onto images and go to select. So once you do that, what happens is that this pops up where you can select out the image. But what I'm going to do is select by URL. So over here, I can paste out the image URL, and there you go. You can see that you get the preview of the image that you're about to insert. So if you were to click on insert image, then there you go. The image has been inserted right here. Similarly, you can go around, and if you have options right here to upload out images from different components, you can click on select image and go to URL and paste the URL that you want to insert and then select it out. And what happens is that the image gets uploaded, as you can see. And that is how you can insert images by URL inside of Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.